Hello, planning enthusiasts. Welcome back to Money Nation. If you ever found yourself drowning in a sea of clutter or struggling to keep track of your tasks, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into 5 practical ways to achieve high levels of organization in your life. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on living an organized and efficient life. Let's transform chaos into order with these 5 organizational strategies. 1. Prioritize and plan. The first cornerstone of a well-organized life is to prioritize and plan effectively. We'll delve into the art of time management, exploring techniques that empower you to make the most of your day. From the power of to-do lists to setting clear priorities, we'll discuss how these practices can help you stay focused and organized in both your personal and professional life. Moreover, we'll explore digital tools and apps that enhance your planning process. From calendar apps that sync seamlessly across devices to task management tools that keep you on top of your game. Discover how technology can be a game changer in achieving organizational excellence. Additionally, we'll discuss the psychology behind effective prioritization. Learn how to distinguish between urgent and important tasks, ensuring that your energy is directed towards activities that align with your long-term goals. Join us as we uncover the secrets to mastering your daily agenda and achieving unparalleled levels of productivity. Furthermore, we'll explore the concept of batch processing and how it can optimize your workflow. Discover how grouping similar tasks together can enhance efficiency and reduce cognitive load. Join us as we break down the principles of batch processing and explore its application in various aspects of life. Moreover, we'll address the challenge of overcoming procrastination through effective planning. Understand how breaking down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps can make the daunting seem achievable. We'll share techniques to overcome procrastination and maintain momentum in your journey toward organizational mastery. 2. Declutter regularly. A clutter-free space is a productive space. In this segment, we'll explore the transformative benefits of decluttering regularly. From the psychology of a clean environment to practical tips on letting go of unnecessary items, discover how decluttering can create a space that fosters efficiency and peace of mind. Moreover, we'll delve into the emotional aspects of decluttering. Understand the liberating feeling that comes with letting go of possessions that no longer serve you. Additionally, we'll provide guidance on sustainable decluttering practices. Learn how to repurpose, donate, or recycle items responsibly, contributing to a more environmentally conscious lifestyle. Join us as we explore the intersection of organization and sustainability, fostering a mindful approach to the possessions we surround ourselves with. Furthermore, we'll delve into the concept of mindful consumption. Explore strategies for making intentional and thoughtful decisions when acquiring new items. From mindful shopping practices to conscious consumerism, we'll guide you on a journey towards a clutter-free and mindful lifestyle. Moreover, we'll explore the concept of digital decluttering. In an increasingly digital world, managing digital spaces is as crucial as physical spaces. Discover strategies for organizing your digital files, emails, and online accounts. Join us as we explore the benefits of a clutter-free digital life and how it contributes to overall mental well-being. 3. Create efficient systems. Efficient systems are the backbone of an organization. In this section, we'll discuss how to create streamlined processes, both digitally and physically, that save you time and energy. From establishing a well-organized filing system to incorporating task management apps into your routine, we'll cover it all. Furthermore, we'll explore the principles of ergonomic workspace design. Discover how optimizing your physical environment can enhance productivity and reduce stress. Join us as we delve into the science behind creating an efficient and ergonomic workspace that aligns with your organizational goals. Moreover, we'll showcase the latest trends in productivity tools and organizational apps. From collaborative platforms that streamline teamwork to AI-driven applications that enhance personal efficiency, we'll explore the cutting-edge technologies that are revolutionizing the way we organize our lives. Join us as we navigate the digital landscape of organization. Additionally, we'll delve into the concept of automation and how it can streamline repetitive tasks. explore tools and technologies that can automate aspects of your life, from scheduling appointments to managing finances. Join us as we uncover the benefits of automation in achieving a well-organized and efficient lifestyle. Furthermore, we'll explore the concept of continuous improvement in organizational systems. Understand how regularly assessing and refining your processes can lead to increased efficiency and adaptability. Join us as we delve into the principles of Kaizen and how they can be applied to enhance your organizational systems over time. 4. Set realistic goals. Setting realistic goals is a crucial aspect of staying organized and avoiding overwhelm. In this segment, we'll explore the art of setting semi-hard goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Learn how breaking down larger goals into manageable tasks can keep you on track without feeling bogged down. Furthermore, we'll explore the psychological benefits of goal setting. Understand how having a clear sense of direction and purpose contributes to overall well-being. We'll share success stories of individuals who have achieved remarkable feats through strategic goal setting. Join us as we unravel the transformative power of setting and achieving realistic goals. Moreover, we'll discuss the role of accountability in goal achievement. Discover how sharing your goals with a mentor, friend, or accountability partner can provide the support and motivation needed to stay on course. Join us as we explore the dynamics of goal accountability and how it can be a game changer in maintaining an organized and focused life. Additionally, we'll delve into the concept of goal tracking and reflection. Explore methods for tracking your progress toward goals and reflecting on your achievements and challenges. Join us as we discuss the importance of self-awareness in the goal-setting process and how it contributes to long-term organizational success. Furthermore, we'll explore the concept of setting intentions alongside goals. Understand how aligning your actions with your values can lead to a more meaningful and fulfilling journey. Join us as we explore the intersection of goal setting and personal values, creating a holistic approach to organizational success. 5. Establish daily routines. Consistency is key when it comes to organization. In this segment, we'll discuss the importance of establishing daily routines that promote structure and discipline. From morning rituals that set a positive tone for the day to evening habits that facilitate relaxation and reflection, we'll show you how routines contribute to a well-organized life. Moreover, we'll explore the concept of habit stacking and how it can streamline your daily activities. Learn how to build habits that align with your organizational goals, creating a seamless flow in your daily routine. Join us as we delve into the science behind habit formation and its impact on sustained organizational success. Additionally, we'll share insights from successful individuals who attribute their achievements to the power of consistent daily routines. From business leaders to creatives, discover how a well-structured day can be a catalyst for success. Join us as we explore the diverse daily routines of high achievers and draw on inspiration for crafting your personalized routine. Furthermore, we'll discuss the role of adaptability in daily routines. Understand how flexibility and the ability to adjust your routines contribute to resilience in the face of unexpected challenges. Join us as we explore strategies for maintaining a sense of order while navigating the dynamic nature of life. Moreover, we'll delve into the concept of self-care within daily routines. Explore practices that promote physical and mental well-being, contributing to a balanced and harmonious life. Join us as we discuss the importance of self-care in sustaining organizational habits and achieving long-term success. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to achieving high levels of organization in your life. If you're hungry for more financial wisdom, take a moment, like, share, and subscribe to Money Nation. Ensure that the bell is on for instant notifications about our latest videos. See you at the next one.